Welcome to USA. This is a API convention. All the physicians of the Indian American physicians are getting together here. So thank you for coming. Uh, Friends, it is my great pleasure and proud to introduce one of the India's foremost leader and uh, representation of the government of India and the inspiration for all the women wherever in the world. Governor Anandiben Patel. Governor Anandiben Patel has been a trailblazer throughout her life. As the 15th Chief Minister of the Gujarat, when she was Chief Minister in 2014 to 16, she was the first woman to achieve the highest position in the state of Gujarat. While Chief Minister, Anandiben far exceeded the target of the Vibrant Gujarat. A Vibrant Gujarat is a program where they invite all the investors from all over the world. And also they made public sector bank to open up the account for all the women and poor people in the Gujarat. And she also expanded the employment opportunity for the youth and skill development of the youth to meet their needs in industry and showcasing the Gujarat as a hub for the global investor. Her other major achievement is that she has started the scheme for the free medical treatment for all the women and all the families of the poor and middle class. She also started the scheme for the educating the students of the poorest of the poor strata of the society. And all her life, Anandiben has worked for the betterment of the children, youth and women, both as a politician and as a philanthropist. Anandiben's first job was as a Mahila Vikas group, and she was also at that time improving the life of the women, particularly the widow women. She was a member of the Rajya Sabha from 1994 to 1998 and also been elected to Gujarat Assembly in 1998. She elected several times and she hold a lot of position under the Chief Minister Narendra Modi's government. Now she is a governor of the state of the Uttar Pradesh, which is the largest state in the country, almost 200 million population, and the state of the Madhya Pradesh. So let's give the standing ovation, standing welcome to our governor, Anandiben Patel. Anandiben.
Dr. Sudhakarji, President API, Dr. Sudhir Parikh, Patron Trustee API Charitable Foundation, Dr. Srini Gangasani, Convention Chair, Dr. Sajni Shah, API BOT Chair, Dr. Surendra Purohit, API CF Chair. First of all, I extend warm wishes on the occasion of the 39th Convention of American Association of Physicians of Indian origin and its more than 80,000 members who are practicing in the United States. Recently, we have celebrated Doctors' Day and would like to convey all the best wishes to the doctors' fraternity. We all are proud of the doctors of Indian origin who were on the front of the war against the COVID-19 pandemic, serving the mankind in a time of dire need. I derive extreme pleasure in speaking to such a prestigious medical fraternity. We are all aware that API has completed historical and glorious journey for serving humanity across the world by medical fraternities. It is a forum to facilitate and enable Indian American physicians to excel in patient care, teaching, and research, and to pursue their aspirations in professional and community affairs. In view of COVID-19, we acknowledge API's notable contribution of supplying oxygen concentrators across India and for making strategy on how to deal with the current pandemic and save lives of people during the pandemic. When you or your dear ones are in trouble due to medical reasons, you always remember a doctor. In such times, it is only the doctor who can bring back tears to you. They are like God in tough times. Unfortunately, we have lost so many medical talents during this pandemic in the recent past. I bow my head in their respect and convey my consolations to the grief-stricken families. I would like to mention the contribution of Dr. Sudhir Parikh, Patron Trustee, API Charitable Foundation, and Senior Advisor to API, and Chairman of Life Global, founder of Project Life, Mr. Chandrakant Kotecha, and Mr. Amar Shah, founder Life Global USA, for their service under Project Life, a charity serving the humanity since last 4 decades through various social and humanitarian interventions in the field of education, health, environment, women empowerment, and housing. I am sure that this mutual partnership between API and Life Global will go on and on for benefit of society in the years to come. Subestimate members of API and had always supported thalassemia prevention program with an aim to make Gujarat a thalassemia-free state and a vision for Gujarat state to take a lead to make thalassemia-free society in India. We are sure that your organization will go on serving humanity in future. I am aware that there are many more such organizations who are going good to Indian fraternity. I would like to mention the work done by many native Indians who came together in USA to form Share and Care Foundation, and I have been associated with this foundation since 1998. This foundation is supporting various socio-economic causes in India. They have supported value-based education for school-going children from slums and villages. Joining hands with Gramasri Trust, they have supported towards creating opportunities for employment for women folk in India. During recent pandemic times, in association with the Environment Sanitation Institute, they are also supporting Lok Mitra initiatives providing relief, glossaries, medicines, oximeters, etc. in 16 villages. I am an educationist first prior to my political career. As a Minister of Education also, I was associated with educational field for several years. I strongly believe in promotion of education as well as women empowerment in rural India.